Morning, guys. Let's go get the van. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. This is happening. Let's go. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous and I cannot wait to show it to you. My van is there. My father is driving it home because I want to take it slowly because I'm not used to very like high and big cars. But yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm waiting for them. Okay, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay. Woo! Woo! Oh my god, my hair. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Morning, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm just having breakfast here. I just woke up quite late today, but I don't have to work, so I have excuse. Anyway, you might be wondering why I didn't touch or I didn't drive still the van. And it's because the assurance, or my own assurance starts next Monday. So I can't touch it until then. It's in the garage, okay? I will take you with me now to go and watch it. But I'm gonna, like a small sneak peek of the van. A small spoiler. Lucky loves it so much. Like so much. The other day he was just exploring it, like going everywhere. It's like he was saying, this is my home. So I'm like, oh, he's so cute. But yeah, now I need to finish getting ready. I need to finish my breakfast, get ready because come on, look at this mess. But yeah, I want to try something. Okay, this is probably, I saw this the other day on another person's videos, vlogs, and I was like, oh, this is gonna be my get ready transition from now on. So let's go. Wow. You have flip out. I know. I have a very strong transformation power in just few seconds. Okay, guys, so okay. Yeah, come with me. I need to take Loki outside to make his, daily things. So come with me. We are going to the garage. Okay, so I know that the lighting is just the worst, but yeah, this is gonna be our future home. Oh my goodness, Loki, I don't know if with this light of the camera it's gonna allow for, no, 1 second. Okay, as you can see, Loki is exploring. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be our future house. Oh my god, but yeah, for now this has to stay here. I hate that light. It has to stay here because I cannot move it because of the assurance that it doesn't start until next Monday. Then after I'm able to move it, I need to practice because this is such a big car for me, because I'm used to small cars and all of that, so it's quite a big car for me. Loki, my love. But yeah, I will be practicing for 2-3 days and then just start traveling. I'm gonna tell you all my plans with the van in the future videos, but yeah, for now I just wanted to let you know that the van is home. I finally found a van. I'm finally a proud owner of this super cute van, which is pastel yellow or pastel pink. I don't know, let me know in the comments below what do you think. I still is that it is pastel yellow. I already have a name for the van, but I want you to also give me some name suggestions for the van. I don't know, I was thinking of maybe Lolita. I don't know, I love it, like Lolita, you know, like the movie that it was Jeremy Irons. And Loki, what? No, we cannot go anywhere. I'm sorry, my love. The whole van, I'm gonna show it to you as I told you on the second channel. So if you are interested, just go and follow me there, because I will be sharing there all my adventures, like all my, I don't want to call it life or lifestyle, but you know, just sharing thoughts and life thoughts and adventures. And well, yeah, let the adventure begin. Oh my goodness, that's just so crazy. Thank you guys, thank you for in a way making this possible, because you watch my videos and you, in that sense, you support my channel, even though I can still not make a living out of it. But you know, who knows, maybe someday. Who knows. But in a way you have helped me, of course. I also want to thank to myself for working so hard, for sacrificing so many things, and being able to get this. And yeah, thank you everybody. Thank you, thank you me. I love you guys, love you, and hope to see you in the next video next week. Yeah, next week. Maybe next week I'm already driving the van, so stay tuned. Love you. Bye. I know it's the worst way to end this video because of my looks, but well, see you.